Here is how to apply an automatic discount for your click and collect orders. Start by navigating to the app settings page. Click on the Click and Collect settings and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Locate the Discounts section. You will need to create a dedicated pickup discount code within your Shopify admin first, and then paste it here. To do this, click the link to jump directly into the Shopify discount section and create discount. Let's set up a custom 10% discount code as Pickup10. Set the eligibility parameters to apply to checkout page and click Save. Copy the generated discount code. Head back to your Click and Collect app setup screen and paste it directly into the discount code field before hitting Save. Now, let's visit the front end of your online store to see this feature in action. Add your desired products to the cart and go to the cart page. Once on the cart page, select Click and Collect as your preferred method. Choose a pickup location and select your preferred date and time slots. After that, click Checkout button. Upon arriving at the final checkout screen, you will see that the exclusive 10% pickup discount has been automatically applied.